Me. Father. My father is a bus driver. Mother. My mother is an accountant. Grandfather. My grandfather was a doctor. Grandmother. My grandmother was a nurse. Great-grandfather. My great-grandfather was a soldier. Great-grandmother. My great-grandmother was a teacher. Daughter. My daughter is a student. Son. My son is 30 years old. Grandchildren. My grandchildren are playing at the living room. Uncle. My uncle is a police officer. Aunt. My aunt lives in Japan. Wife. My wife is a good housekeeper. Brother-in-law. My brother-in-law is a site engineer. Sister-in-law. My sister-in-law is a single.